everybody. I'm here today to talk to you about 4 things to do at every stop sign you encounter. This will be a beginner driving lesson, so let's get right into the video. As you're driving, no matter where you're driving, you're probably going to encounter quite a few stop signs every single time that you drive. When I'm driving around the area that I live in, I usually encounter probably at least 20 to 30 stop signs with every single time that I'm driving from one place to another. If I'm driving aimlessly around to look at houses or something like that, or to look at landmarks, then it's probably going to be even more. So you should know how to do these 4 things because you're probably going to need to know how to use them quite often. Number 1 is slow down, and I'll demonstrate myself approaching many stop signs as I use these things right here. So number 1 is slow down. You want to make sure that you are slowing down, okay, before the stop sign, so you can identify that you're about to approach a stop sign. And then you can slow down as you're approaching the stop sign. So let me demonstrate right now. As I'm driving right here, I see a stop sign right there. So as I approach the stop sign, I'm slowing down, okay? Now this is obviously not the only thing that you have to do, but slow down well in advance. You want to, let's see what I'm doing right here. I was like barely inching to a stop there. I didn't have to hammer my brakes. I was barely inching to a stop there. So slow down well in advance, okay? Now the next thing that you need to do, just give me 1 second over here, I'm just trying to merge in with traffic and make sure I'm good. The next thing that you need to do is come to a complete stop. Number 2 is come to a complete stop, okay? You don't want to roll through a stop sign. Now the thing is, when people are learning to drive, they always come to a complete stop in their driving lessons and for their driving tests. However, as they get their license, I see more and more people rolling through stop signs. You don't want to do that. Come to complete stop. So I'm going to combine number 1 and number 2. I'm approaching the stop sign right now. You can see my speed based on the houses over here. Slowing down, okay? And come to complete stop. You can see I'm stopped right here, okay? Coming to complete stop is super, super duper important. Number 3 is scan the intersection, okay? When you get to the stop sign, you want to know exactly what's happening with the intersection in front of you, okay? Most people, unfortunately, I see it happen where I approach a stop sign with someone else and they just start driving. They don't even see that I'm there, right? Scan the intersection so you know exactly what's happening. So numbers 1, 2, and 3 together. Slow down. Look at the speed right here. Slow down, okay? Come to complete stop. Scan the intersection. Front, left, front, okay? Because there's just a 3-way stop. There's no street over here. All right? Continuing to drive, which brings us to number 4, which is take or give the right of way, okay? So you want to be assertive with who has the right of way, okay? I'm coming to complete stop over here. I know this crossing guard. I'm just going to wave. Hey, how's it going? Just like that, okay? Scan. There's no one else here, so I'm taking the right of way. You should know the rules of the right of way. As to, like, when you come to a stop sign, there should be no question as to who has the right of way. You should know whether you have the right of way or the other person has the right of way, okay? So when you know who has the right of way, if you have it, take that right of way. As long as it's safe to do so, proceed as long as it's safe to do so. If the other person has the right of way, give it to them. You know, let's say, go ahead, right? So I'm coming to complete stop over here, doing my scan. There's no one else here, so I have the right of way, but let's just assume that I have the right of way. I would make eye contact with the driver so they know that I acknowledge them. And if I have the right of way, I'm gonna cautiously start proceeding. And then we'll see if I'm able to continue to safely proceed, okay? That's it. Those are 4 things to do at every single stop sign. It's literally that simple. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.